An application here will pretty much ask you what type of comic story you want to create. As you can see here, I have a lot of options which you can choose from. I'm just going to select something random here and then tap on the next option. Then you pretty much will see your subscription page. Nothing much for that. We'll get back to this very soon. So nothing much. We'll just show you some random things. But this is pretty much where you go to create your own comics. As you can see here, a lot of styles which you can use. All of these are pretty much different. These are pretty much like a template. Let's say you want a Spider-Man comic option type of thing. You can use this one here. All you have to do is just tap on the one that you want to use, upload a image of yourself, and you pretty much get that result. So this is pretty much a picture, not like a video. So do keep it that in mind. You have the video option over here. So you have a lot of comic styles which you can use. As you can see here, it can be a Supergirl, Spider-Man, Venom, whatever the case is. You can just scroll and look for what you want. But all you have to do is pretty much upload a photo of yourself and you get these results. So over here you have the video option. If you do select the video option, you can pretty much turn the comic style into a video. So it pretty much will have that, I would say, much more liveliness to the images. So the images of the comics will be much moving and so forth, so it will give it more liveliness. So that's pretty much it, and all you have to do is just upload a clear image of yourself and get these results. It's very, very easy. So that's pretty much it for that option here. As you can see, a lot of templates which you can choose from. You can scroll and look for what you want. As you can see, these are all the templates option that you have. As you can see, you have a different option over here as well. So do keep in mind, you're going to need lightning points or credits to pretty much use it. So you're going to need a subscription overall. So you can tap on that lightning icon there and you'll be able to get your subscription. As you can see here, you have a weekly subscription and here the subscription and pretty much what you'll be getting as it relates to the subscription. This application is not free by any means, so you're going to need a subscription to be able to use it. So that's pretty much it for this application here. If I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see if we can help you. See you in the next one.